Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about homogeneous. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y(s), y(s). They are degree number 1. This is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we have v. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we change by vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right and we have negative v. This one we do common denominator. So we have v multiplied by this one. So this one we change the sign of this one. So negative v, negative 3v, we have negative 4v. So I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I want to concentrate on this one. So, we need to put about 4 minus 1. This one, we can put inside the parentheses. So, this one, that is about identities. So, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So, I will put about 1 plus 2v equal to number 2 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 sine t square, number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify by dv. So we see that we have 4v. So I will put number 1 go to here. And then we multiply both sides by number 2, so we have 4v like this. So 4v, I just put about 2 multiplied by 2v. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have 2 dv. This one we have number 2 cosine t dt. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by this one. 2v we change by this one. dv we change by this one. This one we have 4 sine t square. So number 4 we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. And now we simplify cosine t, cosine t. So number 2 multiplied by this one. So 3 minus number 2, we have positive number 1. So number 4 I will put outside. So this one we have 4 sine t over cosine t plus 1 over cosine t. This one we have secant of t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 4 ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And the second one, that is about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. About, now we can find the value of t in here. That is about arcsine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of s. And I will put about c in here. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.